Hello YouTube people. I got a few questions for you today. I've had this brass HO locomotive 464 Hudson for quite a while, and I got to know some of you guys that know more about them. What year was this made? It's a LMB. Here's the box. Any idea how old this is? And also this one here, this isn't brass, but it's cast. I have no idea what brand this is, what model it is. Maybe some of you guys could do a shout out to me and let me know what year that train is. So you get this 464 Hudson. Just want to know when it was made. I know what model it is. This 462 Pennsylvania that I don't have a clue. It is super heavy. What make and model is this? What year is it made? Any idea out there, you guys? Got some work to do to this one. Anything would be helpful.